Okay, so this is James from Potomac Bike, my bike check. So come over here, see my bike. I'm gonna start with the bars. Haro. I have no idea what the brakes are because I'm gonna take them off eventually. Blue ODIs with red bar ends. And I painted them, I'm gonna repaint them though. I got a Haro fork. Everything on the tire is Haro, except for this valve cap, which is Mongoose. Got the Haro pegs, and Haro pedals, stock Haro cranks, stock frame, gonna get a new one soon. Eastern Medusa sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain, and back tires the same thing as the fronts. I got Haro stem, Haro, I forgot what it's called again. Haro headset down here behind the detangler. Haro seat, plastic stock seat, it sucks. Haro seat post and a Haro seat clamp. And over here, that is the bike, and have a good night.